Hello and welcome back to my channel and to a new year, 2024. So I thought this video would be useful time-wise so that we can all start the year off from a positive and abundant point of view. So if you're looking to attract love, abundance or inner peace, numerous crystals are available to assist you in this. The crucial aspect lies in comprehending the specific strengths of each crystal and learning how to effectively incorporate them into your spiritual journey. So let's get into the video. Crystals aid in manifestation through two primary methods. First, they serve as talismans, concentrating your intentions. Transforming aspirations into reality involves nurturing positive intentions. By imbuing these intentions into a tangible object like a crystal, you create a constant reminder of your desires. Holding the crystal in your hands allows for visualization and a tangible connection to your goals. Another approach involves harnessing the healing properties and natural benefits of stones. So many crystals emanate precise healing energies and frequencies tailored to addressing specific concerns. Some may target buried emotions or counterintuitive destructive thoughts. Armed with these healing powers, you can navigate through limiting beliefs, clearing the path for your desires to come into fruition. The ideal crystals for manifestation emit energies aligned with your intentions, of course. So certain crystals resonate with things like career success, whilst others are linked to matters of the heart. Regardless of the focus, these stones not only address hindrances, but also attract positive karmic energy, creating a harmonious alignment with your aspirations. Known as the good luck stone in many healing circles, aventurine proves to be an excellent manifesting tool. With various colours, each carrying a unique energy frequency, green aventurine is particularly popular for those seeking financial enhancement. Aventurine, especially the green variant, is hailed as a magnet for luck, making it amongst the most effective stones for manifesting money-related goals. Believed to amplify willpower, it opens doors to opportunities that can elevate one's financial standing, whether this is through luck or business ventures. Beyond financial gains, aventurine's energy extends to attracting prosperity in different aspects of life. Some attest to its ability to draw people closer, creating inner peace and sparking creativity. In any case, aventurine's potent energy stands as a catalyst for manifesting positive changes in various spheres of life. Pyrite, which is also known as fool's gold, possesses a fascinating reputation for attracting the very wealth it symbolises and mimics, despite the lower intrinsic value compared to real gold. In its rough form, pyrite encapsulates a unique charm that, despite its modest market value, some believe is overshadowed by its remarkable ability to manifest wealth. This beautiful glimmering stone serves as a bridge, serves as a bridge between luck and ambition, striking a delicate balance that fosters confidence and propels individuals to transform their dreams into reality. As a totem, pyrite assumes the role of a motivational guide, urging individuals to make bold moves with the potency of life-changing impacts. It becomes a symbol of courage and determination, pushing individuals to pursue their goals with unwavering commitment. The unique blend of luck and drive that pyrite offers transforms it into a powerful ally for people who are seeking not just material wealth, but are also looking into confidence and energy to enact personal changes in their lives. Citrine is a radiant yellow crystal and not only opens the higher mind to embrace joy, but also serves as a potent tool for overcoming negative emotions such as anger, deep-seated fears, and destructive tendencies. This luminous gem is particularly effective in alleviating depression, reducing sensitivity to criticism, and fostering creativity and self-expression. It is renowned for its ability to attract abundance and prosperity. Citrine is more than just a visually appealing crystal. It holds the belief of enhancing creativity and self-confidence, making it a multifaceted ally on the journey towards personal and financial fulfillment. To harness the manifestation powers of citrine, strategic placement is key. So whether you are adorning a prominent area in your home or office, or you want to keep it close in your pocket, the crystal's presence is believed to amplify its influence. Additionally, actively engaging with citrine, so by holding it in your hand and visualizing your desired outcome, further enhances its manifestation potential. Adding to the spectrum of manifestation crystals, carnelian emerges as another powerful ally in the pursuit of wealth. So this vibrant orange crystal is associated with motivation, endurance, and courage. It is believed to stimulate ambition and drive as well, promoting the energy needed to manifest financial success. Carnelian's dynamic energy aligns with the proactive nature required for turning aspirations into tangible outcomes. Placing carnelian alongside citrine creates a dynamic duo, basically amplifying the manifestation journey with a blend of creativity, confidence, and the motivating force needed to attract abundance. For those of you who are seeking love, rose quartz stands as an impeccable choice. This exquisite crystal, adorned in a captivating, blushing pink hue, is among the best for manifesting the desires of romantics. With its innate ability to open the heart and bring about new possibilities, it emerges as one of the most potent crystals for cultivating love. In the realm of manifestation, rose quartz excels in accepting intentions centered around affection and attraction. It acts as like an energetic amplifier, translating these heartfelt intentions into reality. Beyond its manifestation prowess, rose quartz is a formidable healer, particularly attuned to the heart. It adeptly removes blockages, allowing the free flow of energy. Moreover, this crystal is reputed to enhance communication and alleviate feelings of self-love. Addressing love in its myriad of forms, rose quartz seamlessly integrates into manifestation efforts, becoming a cherished ally in the pursuit of heartfelt desires. Whether yearning for romantic love, self-love, or improved communication, rose quartz, with its multifaceted healing and manifestation properties, proves to be a really valuable addition to your crystal collection. Rhodonite is a captivating crystal with really distinctive pink and black kind of stripes, colours, and it also works for love manifestations. So it does attract love, and rhodonite operates as a potent healer, specifically addressing emotional wounds such as heartbreak. Its energies are finely tuned to the heart chakra, fostering healing and restoration on a deep and emotional level. By soothing and mending the scars of past heartbreak, rhodonite creates a harmonious space within the heart, paving the way for the influx of new love. The healing properties of rhodonite extend beyond the emotional realm, influencing one's capability to give and also receive love. This crystal works to dissolve barriers and blockages that may hinder the flow of love in your life. By removing emotional obstacles, rhodonite facilitates the opening of the heart, creating an inviting environment for romantic connections and creating a higher sense of self-love. In the manifestation of love, rhodonite's energies act as a beacon, drawing love towards the individual by creating a magnetic field of emotional healing and receptivity. As a result, rhodonite becomes not only a beautiful gem, but also a powerful tool for those seeking to manifest love in their lives, offering the promise of emotional renewal and the prospect of attracting profound connections. Labradorite is a remarkable crystal renowned for its manifestation properties. It serves as a calming force for an overactive mind, infusing the imagination with vibrant energy and ushering in a cascade of new ideas. This makes it an invaluable tool for those seeking to reintroduce joy and spontaneity into their lives, offering a pathway to creative expression and mental tranquility. In the realm of spiritual growth and self-discovery, Labradorite stands out as a profound guide. Its iridescent colours are believed to align with the chakras, promoting a harmonious flow of energy that can facilitate inner exploration. So Labradorite is revered for enhancing intuition and unlocking latent psychic abilities, making it a favoured crystal for those who are on a journey of self-awareness and heightened spiritual connection. For manifestation, Labradorite's energies can be harnessed through intentional practices. Holding the crystal in your hand, for example, and focusing on your desired outcomes creates a direct connection with its manifestation properties. Additionally, placing Labradorite in prominent locations within your home or office enhances its effects, allowing its vibrant energy to permeate the environment and support your manifestation journey. Whether you're seeking creative inspiration, mental clarity, or spiritual insights, labradorite becomes a versatile and enchanting ally on the path to manifestation and self-discovery. Next up, we have petrified wood, which is often overlooked in the realm of crystals, but it is a compelling and lesser-known stone with unique manifestation properties. Drawing parallels to the protective and grounding qualities of black tourmaline, petrified wood offers a similar foundation for those navigating challenges in their manifestation journey. If you find yourself encountering roadblocks due to a struggle to stay rooted and grounded, then incorporating petrified wood into your crystal collection can be a transformative addition. As a protective and grounding crystal, petrified wood acts as a stabilizing force, helping to anchor and center individuals amidst the turbulence of life. This characteristic is particularly beneficial for manifestation efforts, where a steadfast foundation is crucial for the effective channeling of intentions into reality. Petrified wood's energy is akin to a resilient anchor, allowing individuals to weather the storms of doubt and uncertainty, fostering a sense of security and stability, which is essential for successful manifestation. Incorporating petrified wood into your manifestation practices can be achieved through various methods. Placing it in areas where you engage in manifestation rituals, or maybe keeping it as a pocket stone, are effective ways to harness its protective and grounding energies. By doing so, you invite the supportive essence of petrified wood into your manifestation endeavours, creating a harmonious and balanced space where intentions can flourish and take root. Clear quartz stands as a revered cornerstone in the realm of metaphysical healing. It is like the OG of crystals. That's where everyone starts. Its physical attributes are considered a direct reflection of its intrinsic power, with crystal practitioners attributing qualities of clarity and purification to clear quartz. The crystal is believed to bring about mental clarity while enveloping one's aura in illuminating light, fostering a positive and harmonious state of being. Distinguished as the Stone of Power, clear quartz makes me think of Lord of the Rings, the Ring of Power. Clear quartz earns its title through its multifaceted healing properties and its exceptional ability to amplify energy. Among various forms of quartz, clear quartz is esteemed as the most potent amplifier because of its translucency. Acting as a manifestation crystal, clear quartz serves as a powerful conduit for intention, magnifying it and ensuring its resonance with the universe is heard loud and clear. This versatility is one of clear quartz's defining characteristics. It acts as a blank canvas, adapting to the unique wishes and inspiring the dreams of the individual, resonating with diverse frequencies and making it compatible with nearly every conceivable goal. To incorporate clear quartz into manifestation practices, strategic placement becomes crucial. So whether as part of meditation, adorned as jewellery, placed in certain rooms in your home, clear quartz is believed to enhance the manifestation process by channeling and amplifying these intentions. Its adaptability and ability to take on the frequency most needed make clear quartz a really invaluable companion on the journey of manifesting diverse goals. Green jade is renowned for its rich green colours and is obviously known for its abundance of luck. And it is definitely a talisman for protection and good fortune as well. So this iconic crystal, steeped in history actually, holds a universal appeal, resonating with various cultures and traditions that recognise its manifestation properties. So ancient shamans and contemporary crystal practitioners alike use green jade as the ultimate stone of turning dreams into a reality. Serving as an ally in the manifestation journey, green jade aligns with inner ambitions, empowering individuals to reach out for their highest aspirations. One of its key attributes lies in instilling courage, acting as an emotional cleanser that wipes away self-doubt and worry. In this transformative process, jade fills the aura with strength and an unwavering drive to succeed, creating a harmonious environment conducive to the realization of your dreams. The manifestation prowess of green jade extends beyond personal fortitude, as it naturally attracts positive karma to the lives of those who embrace its energy. This harmonious interplay of courage, ambition, and positive energy forms a really compelling synergy, presenting individuals with a powerful recipe for greatness. As a manifestation catalyst, green jade stands not only as a symbol of luck, but also as a timeless guide on the path to realizing one's fullest potential. And the 10th and final crystal is rainbow quartz. So, rainbow quartz emerges as an exceptional crystal renowned for its manifestation properties. Rainbow quartz is revered for its ability to balance the chakras, mirroring the colours of the rainbow. This dynamic alignment not only brings harmony to the energy centres, but it also acts as a powerful beacon of light, dispelling dark energy and infusing life with a sense of peace wherever it goes. As a manifestation crystal, rainbow quartz is particularly suited for dreamers, offering a profound impact on overall well-being by harmonising the energetic landscape and creating a conducive environment for positive transformation. Rainbow quartz's influence extends to the realm of creativity, making it an ideal companion for artists seeking to create masterpieces. So this crystal is believed to stimulate a continuous flow of ideas. So if you're embarking on like a creative project, or you just want a big boost of imaginative energy, rainbow quartz is definitely the crystal for you to elevate your creative endeavours and infuse your life with these beautiful, vibrant hues. So, if you made it to the end, well done. Those are the top 10 crystals for manifestation. As always, I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. The one crystal I haven't used actually is rainbow quartz, so that is something that I will be looking to add to my collection, I think, this year. I kind of have a lot of the basics. I mean, I have a lot of crystals. I might actually, would you guys be interested in seeing a full crystal collection tour? It might be quite a long video, but let me know if you would be interested in that. Anyway, I digress. Yeah, rainbow quartz is definitely something I want to start working with this year. I'm very intrigued by that one. But I really hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please do the usual like and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you guys stick around. If you do have any questions, please pop them in the comments below and let me know what you're manifesting this year. What are you looking forward to? What do you want to attract into your life this year? I hope you have a lovely rest of your day. Stay happy and blessed be.